In this PowerPoint lesson, we are going to learn how to embed a video within a PowerPoint slide. So we're going to be going out to YouTube to get a video. We're going to be having a PowerPoint presentation, and we will also open up Windows Notepad so that we can edit the URL from the YouTube video so that it will behave the way we want it to within the PowerPoint slide. And we're also going to access a new option within PowerPoint, or a main menu option known as Developer, so that we can get to some Shockwave elements that we are going to edit as part of our movie. So the first thing to do is go ahead and get the PowerPoint that you want to use, and I'm going to refer to this one that I've had for my economics class, and then I'm going to take a look at this particular slide here where I have a little bit of space right here where I can put a movie that I could choose to click and play, or a student could choose to click and play as they're watching this particular PowerPoint presentation. The next step is to go on out to YouTube and to locate the movie you would like to use. So I'm going to go out to my YouTube channel, and here is a video that goes along with that PowerPoint. So I'm going to select it. The production, pause that, and then I'm going to copy this URL right here. So select that entire URL, and the shortcut to copying that is Control C, letter C as in cat. And then I'm going to go on out to the Windows orb over here and choose all programs, look for the accessories folder, and then look for Notepad. There it is right there. And then I'm going to paste that URL within Notepad so we can do a little bit of editing to it. And so to paste it, it's Control letter V as in Victor. So come into that URL, and what we need to do is delete watch and the question mark. And then replace that equal sign with a /. And then we can set that off to the side, and we'll get back to that. But let's head back to PowerPoint, and let's bring up that new main menu known as Developer. Here's how we do that. From the main menu, select File, and then all the way down, select Options, and then within the PowerPoint Options menu, select Customize Ribbon. And then over in the right column, you will see here in these tabs, Developer. So we're going to select that and click OK. And there you can see it right there on the main menu. So let's go ahead and go into Developer. It's got a bunch of new things that we have not seen before. And we are going to go to the More Controls here. Looks like a set of tools. Click that. And then there's a lot of options here, and we want to go to the option for Shockwave. So you could scroll through, it's alphabetical, or you can shortcut that by pressing the letter S, and there it is right there, Shockwave Flash Object. Click OK. And then we get a little cross here, and this is prompting us to draw the box where we want this object to be, which is going to be our movie ultimately once we copy that code in from Notepad. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out this video box that I want to use. And then with that box selected, I will right click and look for Property Sheet. And that brings up this properties window. And we are interested in this movie section right here. So let's take a quick trip back over to Notepad, which I have down here on the taskbar. And I have my edited version of the URL. So I'm going to copy that, Control letter C, and then come right over there and paste it into that little movie box right there like that. And so now, to see if it worked, I'm going to go to Slideshow. Go ahead and close that Properties box, Slideshow. And we want to test this, and so from Slideshow, we will click from Current Slide. And there it is. Our movie is loaded up, and we can click play. And so right from PowerPoint slide within the presentation, Possibilities Frontier is a model that will allow us to explore the law of increasing opportunity. And so if we were watching our slideshow, or students watching this, let's go ahead and take it from the beginning here. Slide 4. There we go. And then we can explore further here by clicking play. Costs, which is related to trade-offs that we talked about in class. Now, the other way that we could do this is we could set up for autoplay. So I'll go ahead and get rid of this video window here. Start that over again. And all we need to do is to go in and to edit the URL text in Notepad. And so let's go over there and I'll show you how to do that. So bring Notepad back up. And we have already changed the area there where we replaced the watch question mark. And so at the end of the string, what we'll want to do is type in the ampersand or and sign and type in autoplay equals 1. And autoplay equals 1. And then we're going to copy that. And then once again, back to developer. Bring up those tools. Shockwave flash object. Click OK. There's our cross. We draw out our movie again. There we go. Right click. Property sheet. Paste in our new URL string. Slideshow, and let's see if the movie should start playing when we bring up the slideshow. The production possibilities. Well, there it is. So we did not have to. We did not have to press play. So there you go. Inserting a video within a PowerPoint slide. A lot of fun, and it's a nice way to really enhance a PowerPoint presentation. And the last thing to add is that I do have for you a sheet that will have those instructions on it that you can get from me. Little recipe sheet there so you don't have to memorize all those commands, and we'll have that available to you here in the classroom.